Hey, what's going on, traders? Watch this video here for, let's see, Thursday, December 12th. Today was an FOMC day. Very, very narrow range. I hate trading FOMC days. We really did. I actually had a pretty nice grab in Lululemon. And after hours, I posted my grab on that. I'm going to show you. Let me add after hours on here because this was pretty cool. Literally got filled at 215.04. So 4 cents from the lows. And it ended up bouncing about 10 bucks. That was an errant tick. That didn't happen, but pretty nice little after hours trade there. Back to the daily. Anyway, that was the point. Is I did better in after hours than sitting in front of the screens all day, right? And it's just kind of how aggravating FOMC can be. All right. Anyway, BLCM things I'm watching tomorrow. Nice breakout. We'll see if we get a red to green or something like that. OLLI, nice gap up and a fairly strong close, but well off its highs. Maybe the whole number 70 comes into play tomorrow. Definitely want to watch that one. Remember, when you watch my videos, I'm looking for intraday trades. I'm in cash every night. AUPH closing at like the 2-day high here after doing an offering, I think, at 15 after the big gap up. So you do have some shorts in trouble here. It's absolutely worth watching tomorrow, although it feels pretty extended. Derm, another extended one. But going out at its highs, this thing's already been running for 3 days. So keep that in mind. That makes me like it a lot less. But definitely want to keep it on watch going forward for the next few days. I'd like to see a 2-day pullback, something like that. DPW, let me zoom in a little bit. Nice, strong breakout today. Strong volume. And went out near its high. So I do think this one's worth watching tomorrow. ABEO, let me pan back out now. Kind of get a better look at it that way. So ABEO had a nice run from, I don't know, 250 to almost 4, rolled back over, and next thing you know, it's right back through 4. Another one that's already been running for 2 days. I don't like feeling like I'm, looking to chase stuff, but a lot of times you can get another really strong day and an intraday A+ setup to get involved. If I don't, I won't, but we'll see. QFIN, nice gap up today. Traded this through 10. And ended up selling it all before FOMC because I don't like being in anything. So I didn't make very much. But nice volume and a nice breakout today. So certainly worth watching for a follow-through day tomorrow. Stitch Fix. Kind of like this one because you had the gap up, topping tail, and let's take today's candle out of it. Looks like, well, that was fun for one day after earnings, and it's just going to roll back over and then boom, right back up. Plus topped out today right around that whole number. So right around the whole number 28. Looks like it went to 28.09. So through 28 tomorrow, you've got 28.09, and then the high of the gap up day, 28.45. Couple potential catalysts if we can get a decent setup through 28 tomorrow. We'll have to see how it trades, but certainly worth watching. Ulta kind of peeved me because if you watch my videos at all, I like a strong stock and a few days lower, and then I like to let me take after hours off here now. I like to catch the first break of its early high. So here's the big day, and it tops out at like 270. The next day, it never broke its early high. Same with yesterday, never broke its early high. There's the opening candle. And then today, so when you get a couple days lower like that after a big breakout, it's nice to be in. You can get a really nice move. If you get an afternoon high of day break, you can get $2, $3, $4 move in a setup like this Ulta. But unfortunately, here's the early high, 251.42. Let's go to 5-minute candles, and I'll show you what I mean by unfortunate. It breaks the early high in the last 10 minutes of the day, which is aggravating to me because there was really no time for it to play out. But we do kind of have a bottoming tail hammer candle and, a 2-day high very close to here. So it does go on long watch for tomorrow. TGTX. I had this on bounce watch. Now, you had a big day and then kind of an attempted follow-through day, and now we've got one red day. That seems a little soon to look for a bounce play, but I couldn't find that much to watch. And sometimes you get a big breakout and one red day and it's right back up. So that's my thinking, but I would like to see it come in another day, and I'd like it much more tomorrow. I would make the same argument for CGC. You had the nice day here, then a red day, and then kind of a quiet day. So this one goes on bounce watch. And then Fate is big day, and then two days lower on declining volume. That one goes on bounce watch, and I don't even have this on the list, but EXPR I also put in my notes. He had a really big 4-day run. Is one day enough for this to turn right back up again? Probably not. I'd like to see another red day, but keep this one on your radar. We get a red day tomorrow. It might be one of my favorite setups going into into Friday. So not a big list, and we'll add some gappers in the pre-market to this list, so should be plenty to trade. FOMC's behind us. Let's hope we get a little bit of action tomorrow. All right, I'm done babbling. We'll see you in chat.